Basically, what you need to do is to click Add Label Cursor and another label cursor will appear. There is no limit of the number of label cursors you can have in the same plot. And there are a lot of options that can be tuned. For example, the color of this label cursor, also the style, like dotted, solid, and its line width, and even put it as invisible, so you don't see the line but you see the points. What else? You can also hide and delete some label cursors and decide whether you need to show the channel names or not, the time entry position here, like hide, show at the bottom or even show at the top, and the points you can disable them if you want. We have also added the feature of the low pass filter that you can apply in any channel individually. In this case, for example, to attenuate the noise of hardware in the loop measurements, we can add a low pass filter. Let's say we add 100 milliseconds and now the blue signal has less noise. You can also see here we have an indicator of that the low pass filter is applied, and also if we click in the export button, the channel will have the low pass filter applied, so you can iterate or use this txt file or csv file with the filters for any other application. We have also added the option to change the chart layout and increase the number of visible rows in the screen up to 3 rows and the number of columns per row up to 4 rows. So in this case, you can have like very flexible layouts to match what you need to evaluate, and you can even show more values from all the magnitudes you are investigating at the same time. And also this is page independent, so you can change the layout for any page in a different way. You will also find a new section called Metadata. So far it's just a JSON tree viewer. You can also upload RAW-X files, which is the network data from PSSE, which internally is the data is kept in a JSON format. And you can have like the tree version and the table version, but we will cover this in future updates and the relationship with this and the dynamic results data. Last but not least, we have added 2 shortcuts to close the simulation files. One is Ctrl Q, and when I press it, I close the file on top, which is the last file open, and again. And when the second one is Ctrl Shift Q, which closes the file starting at the bottom. For example, I press it once and again to close the other files. This is equivalent to closing with the close file button. Thank you for watching this video, and if you consider these features interesting and useful, you can download ESPlotter for free now. And also, if you want to be up to date with new releases and more features that will come in the future, you can consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and also following us in LinkedIn. See you in the next video.